This is my main router. And this is the Cudy AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi router. Let's see how to set up the Cudy AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi router as an extender using an Ethernet cable. If your router has been used before, reset it first. If your router is brand new, there is no need to reset it. Now take an Ethernet cable. Now connect the Ethernet cable from the main router to the WAN port of the second router. After connecting the Ethernet cable, go to your phone. My phone is already connected to my main Wi-Fi network. This is my Cudy router device. Now enter the Wi-Fi password of the Cudy router from the back of the router. After connecting the second router's Wi-Fi to the phone, the second router's Wi-Fi will work automatically. This is how you can set up the Cudy AC1200 Wi-Fi router as an extender using an Ethernet cable.